Hello, we have an interesting question that has been raised here now. It said that we should draw and label a pollen grain with the pollen tube. So we want to draw and label pollen grain with the pollen tube. As I told you in the previous diagram, if you want to draw a pollen grain on its own, the pollen grain has a rough layer surrounded by an inner exine. This rough layer is called the exine. This inner layer of the pollen grain is called the intine. Then within the pollen grain we have a nucleus like that. This one is called the generative nucleus, which eventually will divide to form two male nuclei. And then this one is called the tube nucleus, right? Which of course will grow into the pollen, the stigma. So this is the simple diagram of a pollen grain, all right? A pollen grain. But the question here raised is the pollen grain with a pollen tube. So to do that, you just do the same thing like that. Very rough layer. You show this. Now this exine will burst, and then the intine grows out like a tube like that. In that instance, you now have this place as the exine. This place will now serve as the intine. Then the tip here, you have the tube nucleus, right? The tube nucleus. Sorry, the tube nucleus over here. Then behind them, you have the generative nucleus that were divided. You have this as male nucleus, and this is another male nucleus. This is one. This is male nucleus 1, and this male nucleus 2. Both of them originated from the generative nucleus. Okay, while this one now is called the pollen tube. So this is the diagram. Germinating pollen grain. Germinating pollen grows by attaching itself onto the surface of the stigma. Enjoy learning biology. That is it for you.